Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing my tow hook that I got from SICKSPEED. Thanks a lot, man, for the sponsorship. Gonna go on my Fiesta ST. Even though there's nowhere to put tow hooks, so I'm going to have to drill into the bumper support, put it in there, and cut a bit of the bumper off so I can install my tow hook. Now I could be ready for round 2 of Global Time Attack. So in order to install my tow hook, I gotta remove the headlights and the front bumper just to get to the bumper support, and then I'm gonna have to drill into the bumper. Alright, let's get started. Now that I removed the headlight and the 3 8mm bolts holding on from the fender to the bumper, now I gotta remove 2 T25 bolts and a clip-on each side. That way I can remove the bumper. So after removing the bumper and finding the position where I want the tow hook, I'm going to start drilling the hole right there. So I finally got the tow hook installed. There's just some holes. Came out a bit crooked, but better than nothing. So now to install the bumper and make a hole on the grill. That way it can stick out.